Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, which is called Ilia's Vlogger for Reals, and I'm back with another unboxing video. So today I'll be unboxing my 13th birthday present, and this is the first present that I'll be unboxing with you guys, which is the Blackpink album, as you can see, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. And also, how are you guys? Comment in the comment section below. So, let's get this video started. Okay guys, so if you looked on my previous vlog, which is celebrating my 13th birthday, you would see that this is my last present that I opened, which is the Blackpink album, and I've been waiting for days to unbox this just for you guys. And here's the closer view. Now we're gonna open it. Now before I open it, it says at the front, a CD, a hardcover photo book, 6 postcards, 2 photo cards, a sticker, credits sheet, mounted photo card, poster, 2 group photo cards, and a group poster. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Oh, look at the sides. Okay, this is my first K-pop album, y'all. Let's go and open it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so basically this is the album, the crown. Oh, okay. Oh my god. There we go. Let's just put the box to the side. Okay. Oh my god, Lisa! Rose. I love her purple hair. Jisoo. Oh my god. Jennie. Wow. Oh my god, y'all. She's so pretty. Rose. Oh, her outfit though. That's it. Okay, so I guess this is the let's see from the packaging. Yes, this is the hardcover photo book, and I think the CD should be here. If not, might be in the box, but we're gonna put this to the side. Oh, it's 3D as well, y'all. So if I tilt it, it shows the crown, and wow, look at that. Okay, so as you can see, let's open this up. These are the let's see, yes, the 6 postcards. Okay, so this one, oh, they're so cute here. So Lisa, Jisoo, Jennie, and Rose. Another photo taken. Oh, there's 2 here. Look at Jisoo. Oh my god. Whoa. Wow. The album, Blackpink, the album. Okay. here we have it, y'all. So another picture. Oh wow, look at Rose, you guys. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Rose again. I think there should be more here. Oh, okay. So this is just like the credits in that, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm gonna put that to the side, and there's another one, the album, another photo card. There we go. The album again. But I think this is to keep this. Okay. There we go, you guys. Jisoo, as you can see. So last not but least in the album is their CD. There's Jisoo. Yep, it says Jisoo. Jennie. Lisa. Then there's Rose. You can see some rainbow shines here. Okay, so I think this is it for the Blackpink album. I'll show you guys a better view. Okay, you guys, so next we have some MAC makeup. Okay, you guys, so this is what I've ordered online. So basically, we have a lip conditioner hydrant. This box is all for lips and that. Next, we have the lip pencil, as you can see here. There you go. Then we have the matte lipstick, which is a dark shade as well. There you go. Let's open it. Okay. Look at that color, you guys. Then these came as freebies because we spent over a price. So this is easily removes long wearing and waterproof makeup. And we have another one of that as well. See, it's quite small. And then this is the bit that's the most important, the transparent finishing powder. Okay, so here's another MAC bag, as you can see. There. And here we have the Revolution palette. We have the same brush. The double-ended eye brush. I already have this. And we have this brush for blush. This. Look at her sweat. That's so cute. So these are like the lipstick shades. There you go. These came free in the back. Look at the palette, y'all. So there are different types of shades. Wow, that's really soft. Present from mom and dad. So there's one with my name, Ailia. So it's spelled A-I-L-I-A, if you guys didn't know. It says 13. That's really cute, right? We have another, oh, never mind. This is from River Island. It's a choker. And then this present is from Tiffany. Thank you so much, Tiff. Hashtag Granny. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's a necklace. That is so cute, and it's chained. Thanks, Tiff. Wow, look at the little keyring. That's so cute. I'm not gonna take them out because that's gonna take a while. But there you have it, some earrings. Oh, these would match with my necklace. But unfortunately, my ears aren't pierced. Really pretty bag, as you can see. It is good to fit your phone in, like that, and then some hand sanitizer. You can see, and then you're ready on the go. Oh, never mind. But I think it's just good enough to fit a phone. Well, my two phones. This is my Samsung. Okay guys, I forgot to say this, but this is what my parents gave me. This is the card that I forgot to show you guys, but it's Blackpink, to a special daughter. There you have it. This is kind of like a photo card that came with it as well. And oh my gosh, it said Iria in calligraphy. I love the colors. There you have it again. And yeah. Okay guys, so the next present that I got was this really cute top here. You might have recognized it from my recent on Instagram. And at the back, it's like this. I don't know how to explain it, but your back shows. So you have to like adjust it and that. And I also got two other tops, but I can't find them. One of them was green and the other one was like a short top. You guys can check that out if you want on my previous vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And if you've reached all the way at the end, congratulations, you watched the video all the way through. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and give a thumbs up. Thank you guys again for watching. Hi, my name is 𝚆𝚒𝚒𝚒𝚗𝚐. Hopefully you enjoyed me unboxing my presents and giving you guys a really good view. It's been a while since I did an unboxing video because the last unboxing video was this one with my iPhone 11. I will try and keep up with posting vlogs since the lockdown came. Hopefully I can still vlog, but I do have some other vlogs in my camera roll that need editing, which I took a month ago. Anyways, comment down below what was your favorite present that I unboxed. Thank you again for watching this video. Bye! My knees are actually killing me. They hurt so bad because I've been like leaning on them, like, you know what I mean? Because if I just sit like this, okay, my hair is literally just so thick. Ow, my knees. Ow, ow. My bad.